With the current pandemic situation, we have adapted a new lifestyle where we are using gloves, we are using masks in public areas, and improved personal hygiene. But how safe are we keeping our house against all these threats that we have? So today, I'm going to talk about how to disinfect your home yourself. We are the White Combat, a specifically trained team by the Malaysian Association of Traumatology and Emergency Medicine, in line with WHO procedures for disinfecting the Covid-19. Over the past few months, we have been disinfecting various places. In all our disinfection services, we are using the white factor, a solution which has been tested and approved in international laboratories and KKM Malaysia. The solution is human-friendly, alcohol-free, and food-grade. In a home environment, choosing the right solution for disinfection could be confusing. But with white factor, you eliminate chemical preparation, the necessity of using gloves, and the possible risks of damaging materials in your home. Disinfection inside the house is crucial. The key thing here is to focus on high-touch surfaces. Let me show you how to do it. When you spray the disinfectant, ensure that entire surface is moist, and then wipe it and leave it to dry. Number 1, doorknobs, as we come in and out of the house frequently. And don't forget all other doors. Number 2, handles. Number 3, tables and countertops. The white factor solution can also be used on a wooden surface. Number 4, faucets. Number 5, in the bathroom, the toilet seat and the flusher needs to be disinfected often. Number 6, switches. Before disinfecting switches, ensure they are off and never spray directly. Use a cloth and spray on it and slowly wipe. Number 7, computers, remote controls, and the item that we touch most in a day, our phones. How frequently do we need to disinfect our house? At least once a day. If we come in and out more often, then we got to increase that number. Some points in our house are difficult to reach for disinfection, and that is why we have the white factor humidifier, which changes the solution into mist while keeping the environment safe from coronavirus. This mist eliminates allergens, pathogens, and bad odors. Using the white factor solution doesn't only keep the environment safe from coronavirus, it also prevents the spread of viruses, bacteria, fungus, and molds.